Welcome back to my channel. Revved up ride. Classic Kawasaki motorcycles are a symbol of power, performance, and timeless design. Since the 1960s, Kawasaki has been producing bikes that combine speed with durability, earning a legendary status among motorcycle enthusiasts. One of the most iconic models, the Kawasaki Z1, launched in 1972, set new standards for superbikes with its 903cc engine and sleek look. These vintage machines are more than just transportation. They represent an era when motorcycles were raw, bold, and thrilling. From the growl of the engine to the chrome details, every element of a classic Kawasaki tells a story of craftsmanship and innovation. Models like the KZ1000 and Mach 3 continue to be sought after by collectors and riders alike. Today, the legacy of classic Kawasaki bikes lives on, with modern versions inspired by retro designs. Whether displayed in a garage or roaring down the highway, classic Kawasaki motorcycles remain a testament to the golden age of motorcycling. They are not just bikes, they're legends on two wheels.